Senators grilled Budget Secretary Florencio Butchabad on Thursday as he testified during a hearing on the controversial Disbursement Acceleration Program or DAP. The questions revolved around the projects funded by the DAP, which was declared partly unconstitutional by the Supreme Court. Abad, who spent hours answering the lawmakers' questions, said he was somewhat relieved that they were given an opportunity to explain their side.
Palagi ko naman, napaliwanagan naman namin ang mga senador.
Okay.
Yung mga tanong naman nila ay diretso. Pinagpilihan nila yung mga issue nila at niliwanagan. So, sa palagi ko naman, natutunan naman natin. Napakagandang pagkakataon naman yan dahil Senado ito at saka maganda naman yung malakas ang interes ng taong bayan at nandito kayong lahat. So, isang magandang pagkakataon.
The executive, led by President Benigno Aquino III, has been defending the DAP for weeks, saying it had a legal basis and had benefited many Filipinos. This is Christine Sabilio for Inquirer.net.